Hi, superstars. It is time for math, and we are on lesson 6-5, solve addition word problems. There are 4 squirrels, and they're eating lunch at the squirrel feeder. 2 more squirrels join in. How many squirrels are eating at the feeder now? We're going to show how we know in 2 different ways. So we said 4 squirrels were eating at the squirrel feeder. So we are going to put 4 counters. I'm going to draw them. And then 2 more squirrels come along and they're also eating at the squirrel feeder. We want to know how many in all. So we drew 2 groups. One has 4 squirrels, one has 2 squirrels. Now I'm going to write an equation. I'm going to write 4 plus 2. So I have 4 squirrels and I am adding 2 more squirrels. This is a plus sign right here. We add them together. This is our equal sign, which means is. So let's count and see how many squirrels in all. So we have 4, and then we add 2. 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. So we show 2 different ways. So we put counters to show the squirrels, and then we put the numbers for the groups of squirrels. We added our plus sign to show that we are joining those 2 groups together, and we used our equal sign to show how many in all. All right, let's go to our next page. All right, let's look at our first picture right here. What's happening in this picture? There are dogs in the water, and there are dogs running towards the water. So how many dogs are in the water? We can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many dogs are joining them? These are the dogs that are joining them. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Let's look at this next picture. What does this picture show? There are counters, and it's showing, or there are dogs, not counters. There are drawings of 6 dogs, and there are drawings of 3 more dogs, which are circled, and they have an arrow to join the other group. So these 3 are going to join this other group. They're pointing the arrow to them. So how can we find out how many dogs there are in all? We can count all the dogs in the picture. Let's look at the third box here. What does this picture show? This picture shows counters. How many counters are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9. How is this picture similar to the first 2? They each have 9 in all. Here they were using counters, and here they were using the pictures to represent the dogs. Let's look at our last box right here. What does the 6 in the equation represent? the 6 dogs that are in the water. What does this 3 represent? It's showing the 3 dogs that are joining them. What does this 9 mean? The number of dogs in all. 6 plus 3 equals 9. That is our equation. All right, let's look down here to number 1 in our guided practice. All right, there are 6 sea stars on the beach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more joins them. So we have this star joining them. How many sea stars are there in all? So we are going to write our equation. We had 6 sea stars on the beach. We are adding, this plus sign means adding. We are going to add 1 more sea star. And that equals 7 in all. All right, let's turn the page. All right, let's look at number 2. 3 birds are sitting in a tree. These are our 3 birds. 7 more birds join them. How many birds are sitting in all? So let's write our equation. We have 3 birds and we want to add. So we are going to put our plus. 7 more join them. So we add our 7. And we want to know how many birds there are in all. So we are going to determine what 3 plus 7 equals. We can start counting. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 birds in all. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. All right, let's go on to our next problem, number 3. There are 5 squirrels and they're looking for food. 4 more squirrels join them. How many squirrels are there in all? We have 5. We add our 5. We know we are going to add to that 5. There are 4 more. So we put 4. We put our plus sign here. That means adding. And we want to see how many in all. How many do we have here? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 squirrels in all. All right, let's look at number 4. We are going to use counters as we listen to the problems. There is 1 turtle, so I'm going to draw 1 counter. There is 1 turtle on the beach. 5 more turtles walk up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many turtles are there in all? Let's draw our turtles. We had 1 turtle, and we are going to add some more turtles. So we put a plus sign. 5 more turtles came to the beach. How many do we have in all? So 1 plus 5 equals, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 turtles in all. So 1 plus 5 equals 6. All right, let's look at our next problem here, number 5. 2 turtles, 1, 2, swim in the water. 6 more turtles join them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many turtles are swimming in all? All right, let's write our equation. 2 turtles, and then we are going to add 6 more equals, let's count it. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 turtles in all. 2 plus 6 equals 8. All right, superstars, you're doing a great job. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.